Hi, ma'am. I'm Jillian Nita. So I'm going to demonstrate how to get mean and median and mode. These are data we gathered about how many pets in their homes. So money in Excel. Muna ni siya. Muna nakuha nga data. So ato na siya i-close para dili mag-error ang SPSS. So mag-open ta sa SPSS. So mag-wait lang ta kay loading. So mauna ni. First we're going to do is click File, Import Data, click Excel and find where you put your katong data kon mo. Money, then open. So mag-wait ka and then press OK. Wait lang. It takes time po. Mo na ni siya. Mo na siya imong mo na ni para dili na ka maghago og encode. So first we're going to do is click Analyze, then Descriptive Statistic, Frequency. So mo ni siya. Balhin mo sa variable then click Statistic. So like I said, we're going to get the mean, median, and mode. Check lang, i-check para then continue. Then press OK. Mag-wait lang para magawas ang result. So, money siya ang result. So money siya ang result. So, ang mean, the average of each household has about 4 pets. 0.12. So, a median is that means that half of the household have 2 or fewer pets, and the mode is the most common pets in their household is 2. So that's all, ma'am.